In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your eBay personal account to a business account. If you've started selling more seriously on eBay, or you're setting up a proper brand, switching to a business account is a smart move. It helps you present yourself more professionally, keeps your selling activity aligned with eBay's policies, and can make managing taxes and records a lot easier. First, make sure you're logged in to the eBay account you want to convert. Open your web browser and go to the eBay homepage. In the top right corner, sign in with your usual credentials. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct account, especially if you have more than one eBay profile. Once you're logged in, move your mouse to the top right and look for the My eBay or account icon. Click that, and from the drop-down, choose the option that takes you to your account settings or your account overview. This is where you can manage your personal details, preferences, and account type. Inside your account settings, look for a section related to personal information or account type. Depending on your region and eBay's current layout, this might be labeled Personal Information, Account, or Account Preferences. Open that section, and you should see your current account type listed as Personal. Near that, there will be an option to switch or upgrade to a business account. Click on the link or button that says something like Change to Business Account or Register as a Business. If you don't see it right away, slowly scroll down the page. eBay sometimes places it a bit lower in the settings. After you click to change your account type, eBay will ask for some additional details about your business. This usually includes your business name, the type of business you run, your registered address, and contact information. Fill these out carefully, using accurate and up-to-date information that matches any legal or tax documents you might have. This will help avoid issues later on, especially around payments and verification. Double-check everything you've entered, then confirm or save your changes. eBay may show a confirmation message, and in some cases, they might ask you to review updated terms for business sellers. Read through these briefly so you understand your responsibilities. Then accept them to finalize the switch. Once that's done, your eBay account is now set as a business account. You can continue listing and selling, but with the added advantages of being recognized as a business on the platform.